Hello, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, April the 5th, 2016. I hope that you guys are enjoying your spring break. I know that I am. Yesterday, I was able to hang out with little James a lot. We went to karate practice. It was a really fun day with him. Then I even got to have dinner with my friend Britt that came to sing to our classroom. So it was kind of a win-win. I got to do things with him, then I got to do things with my friend. So it was really, really fun. And I hope that your spring break is starting off on an amazing note as well. I can't wait to see what we'll do today. Well, I wanted to talk to you today and review some of our reading and math learning targets. Notice I said reading and math, and I'm going to do it all with this little container of Laughing Cow cheese. Well, I want to talk to you first. Let's do a cause and effect. You guys know the cause is the why, effect is the what. So the cause is why something happens, and then the effect is what happens as a result of the cause. Well, here's my cause and effect. This Laughing Cow cheese is a very healthy cheese. You can even see that it is light and it's super healthy for you. Well, my cause is I need to lose weight and I'm trying to get healthy and I'm trying to slim down and tone up and I want to feel better and I want to be able to run 5Ks and I just want to be healthier. That's my cause. My effect is I went to the store and I bought a healthier cheese. You guys, I don't know if you know this about me, but I love cheese. I would put cheese on anything. I need cheese breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I need it. I love cheese. Well, it's not bad to like cheese, but it's bad to like the bad kind of cheeses that I like. So the cause is I'm trying to get healthier. And then the effect is, well, I had to go out and I had to buy a healthier cheese. Well, I also wanted to talk to you. I wanted to open it up real quickly, as you can see. The reason this cheese is so healthy is because it is kind of separated for you, so you can't do too much. It's healthier because it's Swiss cheese, and it's healthy because you don't just kind of go in there and get as much as you want to. It is sectioned off into these little wedges for you. So if you are trying to take 2 or 3 and 4 wedges, then you're doing a little too much with your diet. So you know to get about 1 of these, and that's about all you need. This is 35 calories, which is really good because 1 slice of cheese that you just kind of unwrapped, that you just will unwrap from Kraft, that's about 70 calories. And when I like a lot of shredded cheese, 1/4 of a cup can be up to 110 calories. So I'm really doing good with getting just 35 calories. Well, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about math. Remember fractions? Look at this circle. Now, just imagine that block was, that wedge was still in there that I didn't take out and eat this morning. But if it were, I would have a hole. If it were there, I just want you to pretend it's there, I would have a hole because that would be 8 over 8. 8 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator. That makes a whole. Now, I want you to notice that I've eaten one. I've already eaten one this morning. So this fraction, if I were talking about the fraction that I've eaten, that would be, right, 1/8. If I'm talking about the fraction that I have not eaten, that would be 7/8. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to get a piece of paper and I want you to draw a number line. And I want you to divide that number line into eighths. And I want you to label that number line 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. I want you to go all the way to 8/8. And I want you to circle the 1/8 because that represents the part that I've eaten. And I want you to circle the 8/8 or the whole. That represents the part that I had and all. And circle the 7/8 because that represents the part that I still need to eat. Now let's go back to reading and talk about predicting. Well, I got these cheese wedges, these Laughing Cow cheese wedges to be healthier. I've eaten one. I noticed today when I ate it in my scrambled eggs that it was delicious. I noticed that it didn't taste. Now, sometimes when you eat healthy food, guys, you can definitely tell it tastes different than the regular food. But this Laughing Cow cheese was not like that. It was amazing. It just gave me the right amount of creamy cheesiness that I love in my food. What do you predict that I will do on tomorrow when it's time to scramble my eggs? Do you predict that I will go back to my sliced cheese slices, or do you predict that I'll go back to my shredded cheese? Or do you predict that I will stay with my Laughing Cow cheese? What do you predict? Something else I wanted to say. Oh, math. Let's go back to math. I want you to tell me. All right, so normally if I am scrambling 2 eggs, I always like 2 eggs. I want you to tell me how many calories are my eggs. Let me tell you about 1 egg. Well, tell me about my whole breakfast. Let me tell you about 1 egg. 1 egg is 70 calories. Well, normally when I eat breakfast, I have 2 of those. So 2 of those. One of them is 70, but I have 2. I also have the Laughing Cow this morning. We'll just do this morning's breakfast. I had Laughing Cow cheese. This Laughing Cow cheese, my creamy Swiss wedge, was 35 calories. Add that in. Then I also really like this cinnamon raisin bread. It's made by Martin's. You can find it at probably Walmart, but I got mine at Quality Foods. It is 80 calories, and I only have 1 slice of that. So I want you to add all that up and tell me how many calories my breakfast was this morning. 2 eggs. 1 egg is 70 calories, but I had 2. I had a wedge of Laughing Cow cheese. That was 35 calories. Then I had 1 slice of Martin's cinnamon raisin bread, and that was 80 calories. All right, I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. Maybe I'll see you on Thursday. Just check back.